Are you a trucking company looking to elevate your operations? Look no further than the Amazon Freight Partner Program, an exclusive initiative offered by Amazon that guarantees to transform your freight transportation experience. The Amazon Freight Partner Program provides dedicated support to trucking companies, ensuring a seamless shipping experience. It grants access to advanced technology, including real-time load visibility and automated payment systems, optimizing routes and maximizing profitability. By joining the program, carriers can reduce empty miles and increase efficiency. The Amazon Freight Partner Program is a game-changer for trucking businesses. Additionally, Amazon Relay complements the program as another component of Amazon's logistics ecosystem. Amazon Relay is a web-based app available to approved carriers already working with Amazon. It serves as a load planning and scheduling tool, enabling carriers to view and accept available loads, track shipments, and provide status updates. The app offers load details such as distance, compensation, and delivery windows, facilitating efficient operations planning. Now, what sets them apart? The Amazon Freight Partner Program is specifically designed for trucking companies and individuals who own or lease their own trucks, seeking a partnership with Amazon for freight transportation. On the other hand, Amazon Relay is a tool exclusively available to approved carriers, assisting them in managing operations and accepting loads from Amazon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Happy trucking!